Have you noticed that certain things feel heavier than they used to? Maybe that grocery bag, that laundry basket, or even just getting up from a chair? If you have, you're not alone. After the age of 50, most people start losing muscle. But here's the good news. It's not just part of getting old. You can stop it, and you can even get stronger. Today, we're talking about muscle loss in older adults, also called sarcopenia, how to spot it early, and most importantly, how to prevent it. So grab a cup of tea or coffee, get comfortable, and let's talk. Muscle loss, or sarcopenia, is when your body starts breaking down muscle faster than it can build it. It doesn't happen overnight. It's slow, sneaky, and can go unnoticed for years. On average, after the age of 50, we lose about 3 to 8% of our muscle every decade. By age 70, that loss can double. And it's not just about looking fit. Muscle is your power source. It's what helps you walk, climb stairs, carry your groceries, or even just get out of bed without help. When you lose too much muscle, everyday life becomes harder. You feel weaker, you move slower, and you're more likely to fall. Falls can lead to broken bones, hospital stays, and a loss of independence. But here's the truth. Muscle loss is not inevitable. With the right habits, you can protect and even rebuild your muscles, no matter your age. Let's go through the 8 most common signs of muscle loss. As I describe each one, think about whether it's happening to you or someone you love. Sign number 1. You feel weaker than before. You notice you can't open jars like you used to, or lifting a gallon of milk feels heavy. Strength is one of the first things to go with muscle loss. Sign number 2. You walk slower. Your stride gets shorter, you take smaller steps, or you need more effort to keep up with others. Slower walking speed is a well-known sign of muscle decline. Sign number 3. Balance problems. You find it harder to stand on one foot, or you wobble when turning quickly. Weak muscles can't stabilize your body the way they used to. Sign number 4. Thinner arms and legs. Your pants or sleeves feel looser, even though your weight hasn't changed much. That's often muscle mass disappearing. Sign number 5. Getting tired faster. Simple chores, vacuuming, gardening, climbing stairs, leave you out of breath or exhausted sooner than before. Sign number 6. Frequent muscle or joint pain. When muscles get weaker, joints take more of the load, leading to aches and discomfort. Sign number 7. Trouble standing up from a chair. If you need to push hard with your arms or rock your body forward to get up, your leg muscles may be losing strength. Sign number 8. Belly fat increase. Muscle burns calories even when you rest. When muscle decreases, fat, especially around the belly, tends to increase. If you recognized yourself in a few of these signs, don't panic. The great news is that muscle loss can be slowed, stopped, and in many cases, reversed. So, why do we lose muscle as we get older? Here are the main reasons, and you'll see that most of them are fixable. Less physical activity. Use it or lose it is true for muscles. If you're not challenging them, they shrink. Not enough protein. Your muscles need building blocks. Without protein, they can't repair or grow. Hormonal changes, lower testosterone, estrogen, and growth hormone make muscle harder to maintain. Chronic illness, conditions like diabetes, heart disease, or arthritis can speed up muscle loss. Long bed rest or inactivity. Even just 2 weeks in bed can cause noticeable muscle loss. Anabolic resistance. As we age, our bodies don't use protein as efficiently, meaning you need more to get the same effect. All right, now let's talk solutions. Because here's the truth. Muscle loss isn't something you just have to accept with age. You can absolutely fight back and even build strength no matter your age. And it's not complicated. These are simple, science-backed steps you can start today. 1. Eat enough protein. First up, protein. Protein is the raw material your body uses to repair and build muscle. Think of it like bricks for a house. Without enough bricks, the house gets weaker over time. Aim for high-quality sources. Lean chicken, turkey, fish, eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, beans, lentils, tofu, nuts. And don't be afraid to mix animal and plant sources for variety. Most older adults need more protein than they think, roughly 0.6 to 0.8 grams per pound of body weight per day. That means if you weigh 150 pounds, you're looking at 90 to 120 grams daily. 2. Spread your protein out. Here's the thing. Eating all your protein at dinner won't cut it. Your muscles respond best when you feed them evenly throughout the day. So instead of having a small breakfast, a light lunch, and a huge dinner, aim for 25 to 30 grams of protein in each meal. Think scrambled eggs in the morning, grilled chicken at lunch, salmon at dinner, and maybe a Greek yogurt or a handful of almonds as snacks in between. 3. Do resistance training. Now let's talk exercise, specifically resistance training. This simply means making your muscles work against some kind of resistance. That could be lifting weights, using resistance bands, or even doing bodyweight exercises like push-ups, squats, or planks. The good news? You don't need to spend hours in the gym. 2 to 3 sessions per week, 20 to 40 minutes each, is enough to stimulate muscle growth and prevent loss. And here's a tip. Focus on big movements that work multiple muscle groups, like squats, rows, and presses. They give you more strength for your time. 4. Stay active daily. Beyond workouts, you want to move throughout the day. Sitting for long periods can signal your body to break down muscle. So build little movements into your routine. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, walk to the store, do some light gardening, or even dance in the kitchen while cooking. Every bit of movement keeps your muscles active and engaged. 5. Get enough sleep and manage stress. Muscle repair happens when you rest. If you're only sleeping 5 hours a night, your body isn't getting the recovery time it needs. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. And don't forget stress. High stress means high cortisol, a hormone that breaks down muscle tissue. Make time to relax. Deep breathing, meditation, reading, or just sitting quietly with your coffee in the morning. Your muscles and your mind will thank you. 6. Check your vitamins. Expanded for vitamin D and B12 finally. Check your nutrient levels. 2 vitamins matter a lot for keeping your muscles strong as you age: vitamin D and vitamin B12. Vitamin D is essential for muscle strength and bone health. Without enough of it, your muscles can feel weak and your bones become more fragile. To get enough vitamin D, start with sunlight. About 10 to 20 minutes of midday sun on your arms and face, several times a week, is usually enough for many people. You can also eat vitamin D-rich foods like salmon, mackerel, sardines, egg yolks, and fortified dairy or plant-based milks. Now, vitamin B12 is just as important. It keeps your nerves healthy and helps your body make red blood cells, which carry oxygen to your muscles. Without enough B12, you may feel tired, weak, or even dizzy. You can get B12 naturally from animal-based foods like meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy. If you're vegetarian, vegan, or just don't eat much animal protein, look for fortified cereals or plant milks. And in some cases, your doctor might recommend a B12 supplement, either a daily pill, a high-dose weekly tablet, or even an injection, depending on how well your body absorbs it. Don't just guess. Ask your doctor for a simple blood test, then follow a plan to get the exact amount of vitamin D and B12 your body needs to keep your muscles strong for life. Bottom line, muscle loss with age isn't inevitable. With the right nutrition, smart exercise, daily activity, good sleep, stress control, and proper nutrients, you can stay strong, independent, and full of energy for decades to come. Let's wrap up. Muscle loss is common, but it's not your destiny. With the right food, movement, and habits, you can stay strong, active, and independent well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. If you found this talk helpful, share it with a friend or family member. Because staying strong isn't just about living longer, it's about living better. Thank you for listening, and here's to your strength, your health, and your future.